Are COVID cases among children rising in Bengaluru, leaving parents worried? Many reports suggested so. Here, armed with data, the federal talks to experts to find out the real situation on the ground. According to BBMP data, 511 children in 0 to 18 age category were infected between August 1 and August 13. That's 13 days, which is 11.5% of all the overall cases. While the statistics have alarmed many, BBMP has categorically said that there has been no steep rise in the infection rate. BBMP says over the last 4 months, the average of 0 to 18 age category is about 11%.
We should not panic by seeing isolated number of cases in a particular area or any hospital. If it is a third wave or it is something which is of significant proportions, it has to be over a large number of cases in a larger area. So because I work in North Bangalore in private clinics as well as one of the biggest hospitals in North Bangalore, so we see quite a lot of cases, and in first wave and second wave we have treated a lot of patients in ICU as well as in OPD and emergencies. So this time we are not seeing many COVID patients. So we are day to day managing the emergency and ICU and OPDs, and right now the COVID infections are not there. Very few cases of pediatric COVIDs are coming, and that also in a week 1 or 2 cases we are getting maybe, but not on a regular basis. Large number of cases are not coming, and none of the cases are really sick. They are all mild to moderate cases of COVID, not really the sick ones. Okay. Right now situation is totally under control and we are hardly seeing any pediatric COVID cases, and nevertheless there is no higher number of cases compared to the previous pandemic. So the proportion is still, I think today's press release was say that it's 11% only of total pediatric cases out of the total cases. So that is not a high number, and most of the children are like mild symptomatic.
Total COVID-19 cases in the 0 to 12 age category reduced from 2,643 in June to 778 in July and 309 till August 13, 2021. Moreover, 0 deaths were recorded in the last 2 months. Children below the age of 18 years are susceptible to the infection, as vaccines for children are still either in trial or are awaiting authorization. Even with authorization, the COVID-19 working group believes children aged 12 plus with underlying medical conditions should be the first to get the vaccine. However, no concrete guidelines have been issued yet. Meanwhile, Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai announced schools could be reopened for classes 9th to 12th standard in areas where the positivity rate is less than 2%, a federal report.